Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing off my third-person framework. So, if you play the game right now, it's currently loading. Now, I just want to give you guys a heads up. This is unfinished. It is not complete yet, so please save your judgments for later. But anyways, here's how it works. So I can move around. I'm a little slow, but I can hold shift to be faster. Right now I'm about the normal walk speed. So you can use. So I also have an inventory system, as you can see. So right now I'm on this blue slot. I'm selected this blue slot. I know you guys can't see it because I think I've added some UI to overlap it, but right now I'm selected on this blue slot, and I can use V to scroll left, but I can't scroll left because there's no slots on the left, and I can use C to scroll right. So if I were to press C right now, I would be on this slot, where I'm pretty sure I have like a tool that can teleport you, and then on this slot I have, I'm pretty sure, an automatic gun, but I'm not really finished scripting that. But anyways, I can press M to equip this first slot, which is a gun. It does work, but I don't have any NPCs or dummies tested out on. So I can press N to unequip the item, and then I can press C to scroll onto the green slot. I think you can see like a number right there. But anyways, you can press M, and then you have this little tool that allows you to, you get stuck in it, but it's just a showcase item. It's not something I'm going to be using or whatever. You click to teleport. You can press on N to unequip that, and then you can press C again to scroll on this slot, and then M to equip. Wait, hold up. Sorry. I think I forgot to put something. Yeah, I forgot to put the third item, but that's fine. So we can use V to scroll left. So, wait, hold up. I'm gonna quote that. You can use C, just scroll left. So I'm on this one now, and yeah. So that's pretty much all I can show you for gameplay wise. Now I'm gonna be uploading a link to this framework. Just ignore all this background stuff. In fact, I think I'm just gonna do a little deletion on that. Yeah, just ignore all the background stuff. We have just a simple break here. So in order to add your own items, luckily you don't need to go in the framework script and mess everything up. But anyways, in order to add your own items, you have to go to this folder called models. Let me just delete that on my gun. I don't grab a gun either too. So in order to add your own model, you have to find a mesh for the model. I'm just gonna get really any mesh, because I don't need a mesh. In fact, you don't even need a mesh. Oh wait, oh god. You don't even need a mesh. You can literally just create a part, and voila, you have your answer. So let's just rename this part to something. I'll just rename it to test tool, because this is just for showcase. It's not any real thing I'm going to be adding to the game. So I can just move this to models. Now, if you want to make an item, these steps, the things I'm about to do, are required. Even if you just want the item and you don't want any scripts or anything, you still have to do these things, or otherwise it won't work. So you have to add an animations folder. Even if you aren't gonna have any animations with your tool or item, you still need an animations folder. Next, you need a vector3 value called rotation, and same with the animations folder. If you don't want to rotate your item or something in a certain way, you still have to add that script. And then lastly, just like every single other script, you have to make this local script and call it main script, and also disable it. You have to make this, or otherwise it just won't work, even if you're not adding any scripting. So, finally, to add this to your inventory, you have to go to inventory. You have to add a comma. Oh, sorry. You have to add a comma. You have to add a comma and type your tool name. Now, obviously, you're going to get a little error here, but that's just because we need to add this as a variable. So let's just make a variable called test tool, and by default this is set to null, so let's set it to something. Wait for child, and oh yeah, I just realized we don't need that. This is okay. We can just type wait for child, test tool, and voila, there we go. You have a working item, and you can always increase how many items a player can store, but then again, there's only 3 UI slots, so you would have to add more slots of UI and change the framework script a bit. So, you know, I'm just going to save this, and if we play the game, right now we're on this blue slot, because you can see a 1 there. Let's use V to scroll left, and then, wait, not scroll left, right. And there, we can equip that in, voila, we have a part. We have a part. So you can put away, and there's also an animation, but I'm not sure if the animation will work for other players like you, so you might have to override the animation or change the animation ID, but pretty much everything works. There'll be a link to download this place if you're interested in using this framework. But anyways, I'm gonna see you guys later.